Good day guys, CK MathWhiz back again with another video. Sure you can see already the problem behind me, but yeah, we're still in this thing of algebra. Before we even continue with that, let me explain something. Good people, there's only one thing that can make you to be good with mathematics. There's just one thing that can make you to be good with maths. Okay, when it comes to you as being an individual, you first need to be disciplined and be able to apply consistency when it comes to practicing your maths. But now, one main thing that I could say, it helps a lot. Remember, as I said, it's those factors of how you're supposed to be before you approach mathematics. But the strategy now in mastering mathematics, it's only one thing, good people. It's just one thing, algebra. You know, algebra makes your brain to be able to think maths. Understand? It makes your brain to be able to think maths, to be able to think mathematics. Able? So if you can play around problems, algebra, on your free time, play around these things, it fixes your brain. Let's jump in the video. We have t multiplied by t multiplied by t multiplied by t over t plus t plus t plus t, which is equal to 80 over 5. These kinds of problems, it's problems they like throwing at us in these question papers where you see that maybe they think it's a level 4 type of question. You know they know when you're panicking writing your exam, they know for a fact that this could come in a form of something that is difficult. But if you're used to these, practicing daily, this thing of panicking is something that could fade away. It doesn't fade away. Yeah, it fades away, but it doesn't come to an end. You do panic sometime. When we multiply these, we get t to an exponent of 4 over. When we add these ones, we get 4t, which is equals to, we divide this one, we get 16 over obviously 1. Why? Simply because we got obviously just a constant. Now we have 40s here, 40s here. We can cancel 1 here. So when we cancel 1, there will be left with 3 t's. Then here we will left with 4 because there was only one. There was 40 here, which is going to be equals to 16 over 1. Then we can just leave this as t cubed, which is equals to 4 times 16. We're going to get 64. Again, in your grade 10, grade 11, grade 12, you will choose to end here, where you're going to cube root here, get t as your 4. Think t as your 4, right? Where is that? Okay, yeah, you get your t as your 4 when you are cube rooting with 64. Yes. So you get t as 4. Can you see now already we know that we're going to get our t as 4. But I'll show you something. 64 is a cubic number. So we take 64 this side since it's a cubic number. 64 here, then which is equals to 0. Then when you change 64 to a cubic number, we're going to get t cubed minus 4 cubed. Since it's a cubic number, then we factorize this. We take these bases, put them in a bracket, t minus 4. Open another bracket. In that bracket, think of a variable that you can multiply with t to get t cubed. It's t squared. Then opposite sign, it's plus. 4 times t, it's 4t. Then plus 4, what is it that you can multiply with 4 so that you can get 64? It's 16. 4 multiplied by 16, yes, it's 16. Then now you equate these to 0 product rule. So t minus 4 is going to be equals to 0. Can you see that 4 now it's going to come here? Or our t squared plus 4t plus 16 is going to be equals to 0. So now this one, 16, cannot give us 4 when we factorize using difference of 2 squares. So we're going to have to use our quadratic for this one. So we're going to go here, t squared plus 4t plus 16 is equals to 0. So we'll use quadratic as I just stated. Now here, we're going to say t is equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. That's your quadratic. No? At the same time, do not make mistakes when copying quadratic equation, or you must keep on practicing so that this thing you stop making mistakes. For grade 10, 11 and 12, yeah, they write this thing in the wrong way. Then negative b, it's negative 4 there, plus minus. Oh, again, I need to provide clarity when it comes to the value of a, b and c to someone who is not aware. No? So plus or minus square root of b squared, obviously it's going to be 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4 times, okay, it's going to be 16 minus 64 over 2, which is going to be negative 4 plus minus 16 minus 64. What do we get there? 16 minus 64, we get negative 48. So square root of negative 48 over 2. Then this is going to be now negative 4 48 over 2. Okay, we're going to get our negative 2 plus minus 2 root 3, then multiplied by root minus 1. Okay? So we're going to get negative 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3i, right? So meaning that since it's plus or minus, we separate them to not x, t, which is equal to negative 2 plus 2 root 3i, or t, which is equal to negative 2 minus 2 root 3i. Can you see that? Now remember guys, when it comes to that, it's the same as ax squared plus bx plus c. So that is why when we are putting on a, we put 1, 2 times 1. That is why we have 2 here, because a is the coefficient of t squared here. B is the coefficient of t. That is why when we see on b here, we put 4. Even here we put 4. 16 is c. As you can see on c here, we put 16, where we said 4 multiplied by 16 to get this 64. Good people, please do try some of these, or if you see that there are some way you want us to solve together, or I should make a video, please do comment on the section below, and let's keep this thing going. Let's just practice algebra. Let's play around these problems. They are very nice. They train your brain when it comes to math. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.